Hel- Hello guys, this is Navdeep Mehta and welcome to AI. And today we are going to start with keywords. In our previous lecture, we have studied up to tokens part. In this part, we are going to study keywords. So what are keywords? The keywords are reserved word in Python. So these are the word which is already reserved in Python. If you write these things, then it will understand some meaning. You don't use these keywords as a variable because these are some reserved and they have some value. Okay, so just like in English we can say gate. So gate means darwaja. Sorry, darwaja bhi hai. Okay, so this is reserved, you cannot change it. But if you talk about the name like Navdeep and others name, these all have not any meaning, and you can see there are a lot of person with same name. But you see gate, house, these all are reserved but these have some meaning. Like house means ghar, gate means darwaja. So like that keyword are reserved word in Python, and each keyword has contains some specific meaning. Okay, now these are indicated with red blue color. Here you see green or blue colors indicates keywords. In Jupyter Notebook, you can see the keywords are here you see import is a keyword, print is a keyword, and these all are seen with green birds. As is a keyword, these all are seen as a green bird, and the red color indicate a strings. Okay, so let's move to the next topic, and here you see. Now here you see false is a keyword, class is a keyword, funnel is a keyword, each is a keyword, return keyword, try keyword, lambda keyword, for keyword, continue keyword, none keyword. These all are going to understand what are the different keywords have different meaning. Right now you should understand these are the different keywords and we can't use each as a variable, and each keyword has some specific meaning. Okay, so let's move to the next. Identifier. Identifier is the name used to identify variable, function or object. Okay, it is used to identify some variable, function or object. Here are some rules, some naming convention for Python identifier. Now here you see, this is the first line that I have seen, that class name start with capital letter else or start with a small letter. I think in Jupyter Notebook I have written class in a small letter and it will work. So I am not sure that this line is correct or sorry, wrong or correct. So I can't understand anything here. Now here see, a starting any identifier with single leading underscore indicate protected. This means that if you write something like this and name, then Python understand that it is a protected. Just write know this, it is a protected. Second things, I will understand everything. A starting any identifier with double leading underscore indicate it is a private. If you write two dash and write name, okay, then it is a private. Okay, now the fourth name, first letter never be a digit number. This meant to say that if you write any variable or keyword are defined, but you see none any keyword is a starting with digit. If you write any variable a starting bit digit, then it will error. If you start any keyword bit digit, then it is congested. If you if any variable a starting with digit, then it will give you an error. So variable name never we are starting with digit, and you see that any keyword, let me show you. Here you see any keyword is not a starting with any digit. Okay, so this is another rule of identifier. So if any identifier in with double trailing underscore indicates, actually this line means to say that if you write anything like not single and double both, this is a wrong line. If you are def, so def is a keyword, as you see here. Where is def? Yeah, def is a keyword. Okay, when you write def, then it understand keyword, but when you underscore it from here this single quotes, then it will not going to understand a keyword, and it is used as any variable, you can say that. Let's move to the next slide for better understanding identifier. No, sorry, let's understand the first one thing. I have in introduction part I have told you that in Facebook account you have three options: only me, friends, and public. Okay, so if you write something without any quotes, okay, like this and this, then it is a public. But when you write something single quote, then it is protected. But whichever you want to see the data, they will see the data, it is protected. Okay, when you allow someone to see the data, they will see the data. When you double underscore, then it is understand private. Okay, but it's private, only you can see the data. Okay, now I have understand the fourth and fifth topic. So here you see private attribute, double underscores, protected, single underscore. Now here you see he will each double underscore here and here. This means that it has some other function as it was. It means ki what was the function of init? Here it has some other function, not the function that it will be used. Now here you see here class is a what? Keyword right now, but here we use one underscore, then you see this line is not green, this is simply black. So we can use class as variable or anything by using just one underscore, and when two dash function is used in any keyword, then it will be so that it has some other function as it was. So let's move to the next slide. Now here you see these are some different pattern. Landing underscore, like here you see single underscore means protected. You can go to this meaning, you can better understanding. If you use single underscore used convention to avoid naming conflict with keywords. Double underscore trigger name mainly when used in class. So you can go to this this table so that you understand what different meaning. So our next topic is declares. What are the titlers? Titlers are notation used to present fixed value in a Python. Okay, now here see, we have assigned a is equal to 10. Okay, so here whenever you use a in anywhere, it will equal to 10. Okay, so what is our littler? So this 10 is our littler. 10 is a fixed value. Here Navdeep is also a fixed value. Here 3.14, this is also a fixed value. So these all three things are littlers. They are the fixed value. Now here a is equal to 10. 10 is a fixed value. Navdeep is a fixed value. Here 10 Navdeep and 3.14 is a fixed value. So any value which is going to fix or any constant value in Python is known as literal. So let's move to the next slide. So this is the things that we have studied. I have taken help from these two sites. You can also go to these two sites for better understanding. I have put these links in the description box. Thank you.